Hi, welcome to Excel Conceptual Era. This is Sai Kumar. Today I will let you know about what is GATE exam and what all about the GATE exam and what are the different uses and the opportunities in GATE exam while writing it and the eligibility of the GATE according to the GATE 2021 because up to 2020 there is different eligibility for the GATE exam and there is some modifications given by the GATE IIT Mumbai in GATE 2021 and what is the validity of the GATE score for PSUs and IITs and NITs and IIScs and what are the GATE pattern plus its subjects according to the GATE 2021. There are some modifications in subjects syllabuses and we will let you know the subject wise weightage for GATE ECE and the best textbooks for referring for GATE ECE. First of all, GATE. GATE means Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering. It is a national level exam which will be conducted all over India. So, any number of students can appear to this GATE exam and it will be organized by the top IITs, NITs and IIScs like IIT Delhi, Mumbai and IIT Madras. These some of the institute will be in a committee and these will organize this GATE Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering exam every year on the first or second week of February. Let us see what are the benefits of GATE via BTech students. Like there are many number of students can write like B.Pharm students, biomedical students, MBBS students can also appear for the GATE. There are the different streams. Now we will see what are the benefits and opportunities of qualifying GATE via BTech students. The first and major thing is like many of them will write GATE for higher studies. So you can get MTech or ME, Master of Technologies and Master in Engineering in different universities like IIT, NIT, IIScs and IIITs. These are the institutes which you can apply for and you can get you are qualifying, you will be taking in this and the another option is like Master in Sciences and PhD. You can also apply for them like if you are interested in research based R&Ds, like you can some of the universities, foreign universities will help you directly via GATE score only and PhD is also PSUs. Some of the students will write GATE exam for job sake like public servants undertaking jobs. For this you should get the rank of nearly below 600, all India rank below 600. You can get the major Navaratna companies like BPCL, SAIL, ONGC, IOCL, Powergrid. In these companies you can get jobs as an assistant cadre guested posts, and this is one of the major benefit while qualifying and getting rank below 600 in GATE exam. And you can also go for management sciences like IIMs also it is also one of the part who are interested in management, and you can get opportunities in DRDO, ISRO and BARC, whereas the BARC is now giving 60% of GATE score, 60% and 40% for written exam, and some of the institutes or companies will call you for direct interview and there will be no written exam for that. And these are the main benefits which you will get while GATE exam. And one of the most important thing is you will get in-depth knowledge in technical subjects while writing this GATE exam. Now let us see the eligibility for the GATE. Any students from like up to 2020 only 4th year students can write the exam and all the pass outs also can write the exam, but the new statement by the IIT Mumbai is like all the third years and fourth years and pass outs can also write the exam, and there will be no limit for the GATE exam. You can write a number of times, any number of times you can write the GATE exam, and there is no limit for that. But how much you take 100% of applicants, but only 30 to 40% are qualifying in the GATE exam, and rest of are is not qualifying the GATE exam. The GATE score, let us score the validity of the GATE score. If your GATE score is for 3 years for MTech or ME, so for third year students also, you can after, if you are qualifying, you will get the GATE rank and you want to go for higher studies, and it will be valid for 3 years further. And if you are interested in PSUs, you must write every year GATE exam, and it is valid for 1 year only. And there is GATE rank, GATE score, and GATE All India rank and GATE marks. All India rank is a year rank which will be given by the GATE, and in that there will be category rank which OBC, SC, ST ranks, and GATE score will be given on basis of percentile number of students approached and qualified. And these three categories are present. And on going to the GATE pattern according to the 2021, this is exam of 3 hours with 65 bits, and in that there are 2 categories. One is general aptitude and the other is core subject and individual department core subjects. You will get 10 bits from the general aptitude, which costs of 15 marks, and core subjects of 55 bits with of 85 marks. In that 85 you will get 13 marks from mathematics and your core subject of 72 marks. And the newly added in GATE, there are 3 types of questions: MCQs, MSQs and NATs. Whereas MSQs are newly added by the IIT Mumbai in 2020, whereas NATs means numerical type of questions, where only the answer will be numericals, not the theory answers. Whereas in MSQs there are multiple answers in it, so we need to opt the multiple answers. You might have a doubt, what is the difference, how can you get difference between MSQs and MSQs? You can differ by them option wise. In MSQs you will get the options in circle based, and whereas in MSQs you will get the options in checkbox, and this is the only difference you can observe. And paper code for ECE is easy, and this time IIT Mumbai has given options ECE students are mandatory for ECE, and we have an optional subjects like instrumentation and physics. We can opt any one, or if you can write only ECE also, as we like. And these are the subjects in GATE ECE. General aptitude of 15 marks, which 2 marks will be 5 and 1 mark will be 5, total 15 marks, and max of 13 marks, and 8 subjects. Core will be 72 marks, total 100 marks. Whereas these are the subjects: analog circuits of 8 to 11 marks, communication of 9 to 11 marks, control systems of 8 to 10 marks, digital circuits plus COA is like computer organization and architecture, which has been added by IIT Mumbai this year, and we are expecting 2 marks questions from this. And last year by 2020 there is microprocessor, it has been deleted. COE is added. EDC 12 to 18 marks, EMT 8 to 9 marks, signal 7 to 8, and networks 5 to 8 marks. These are the best GATE textbooks for different subjects. Networks by Valkenburg and Hyleth and Kemmerly. These are the best textbooks for networks and network theory, which will be in electronic circuits and analysis as well. And whereas coming to EDC, solid state by treatment, which is best for problems. whereas semiconductor physics and devices, David Newman, which is best for theory based questions. And SM Says is also one of the best textbook. KN Butt is also one of the best. And whereas coming to analog circuits, microelectronic circuits by Sather and Smith, best for problem based questions. And fundamentals of microelectronics by Sather and Smith, fundamental of microelectronics, Donald and Newman. And these are the best textbooks for analog circuits. Whereas coming to digital circuits by Maris Meno and Anand Kumar is best for problems and theory questions as well. And microprocessor and architecture by Ramesh Gokar, it is more there in 2021, so no need of this textbook now. And whereas coming to signals and systems, Alvin V. Optin and Nawab and Hykenson Ethwan, these two textbooks are best for signals and systems. Whereas coming to communications, Simon Hykens is best for problems, BP Lathi is for theory, and communications on SS by Prokis is best for both problems and theory also. And whereas coming to control system engineering by Norris Nice and Nagaratan Gopal is one of the best textbook and preferred textbook. For problems you can go with Ogata and Boko Benjamin as well. Whereas for EMT, elements of electromagnets by Matthew Envo and electromagnetic waves and radiation systems by Jordan and Bullman are some of the best textbooks for GATE. This is all about GATE exam, and if any doubts and queries, please free to contact Excel Conceptual Era online training classes and student centered learning, which we will be prepared by students, and we are the students, we help you in learning. And for contact Excel Conceptual Era @gmail.com, link will be given in the description. Thank you.